Hey, beat your block up, nigga. Beat your block up, nigga. I said I beat your block up. Beat your block up. Well, I beat your block up, nigga. Hey, beat your block up. Pull up with this Glock, nigga. Really rock up, nigga. Don't make me beat your block up. Huh? Don't make me beat your block up. Now with this Glock pussy nigga, I'ma rock up on your block and with the Glock as a stock, huh? You really think you niggas over there really rock? Or you niggas really love to fucking talk a lot? That's when I have my nigga sit back, smoke some weed and plot. And you already know my nigga, we gon' let it rock. Just like an apple, nigga, pop it open like a Snapple. Don't really give a fuck, my nigga, ooh, the carrot apple. On the ring, nigga, ooh, like yeah, I mean, standing tall through it all, nigga, you know what I mean? Don't give a fuck, my nigga, now, since we on the scene, let's really see who really like to fucking intervene, nigga. But I'm really speaking facts, and if it ain't the fact, nigga, then where to act? Crack the seal, my nigga, you know I need a meal. Then really give a fuck, nigga, this shit is real. Up in the streets, my nigga, niggas, they play to kill. Then give a fuck, you better start really to let it feel.
I generated over $400,000 in revenue last year with no website.
I was able to make 6 figures on this free